When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I finally have something with us today that I have been wanting to test out forever. I saw it on AliExpress several months ago, but it always said sold out. But it is finally back in stock. Well, it was finally back in stock, and then I ordered it, and then I waited a month, and now it's finally here. This is a miniature wax stamp seal kit, and I feel like wax seal stuff is slowly increasing in popularity, and if you guys know why is wax seals trending, let me know in the comments down below. But I recently, oh my god, I even have it here. Y'all, Pixie Beauty sent out such a cute PR package a couple of weeks ago, but they sent a little initial wax stamp seal, and then they sent like a candle, a wax candle. I don't know, you guys. I've got the footage here. I did it on my daily Snap story. I did it once already. So yeah, I feel like kind of wax seals, I don't know, they're getting to be popular. So let's open it together. I was honestly so shocked that this was like just $5 because there were some listings that were selling this exact same thing for like $9, $17. Why? I don't know. They all look the same. I did see some people say that theirs was busted, so hopefully ours is not. It is making a little bit of a glassy sound. I'm hoping that this thing does really work because under here, I actually have my brand new junk journal that I just started like a few days ago. So I'm hoping we're gonna be able to create like a miniature wax seal in my junk journal today. Would that be magical? I think so. So this is the little kit, which I think it's nice that it comes in this. Now, can I figure out how to open it? Ah! Also, you guys, ignore my nails. They look horrible. I just got the new Kiss Salon Extend kit, and I'm hoping to test it out this week. All right, you guys, up first, we have what appears to be a multitude of wax seals. It does look like one is broken, but I literally thought we were just gonna get one seal, so I'm honestly shocked that we have 3 or 4. Let's see if we can see the little designs. Oh my gosh, that's a little dog print, but look at that! It's so cute. Okay, we have the broken one, and on that, oh, that's like a cat. Y'all, it took me a minute. I was like, what is that? I don't even know. Then we've got a flower, I think. It almost looks like a cherry blossom, maybe. And lastly, my favorite one, you guys, the fleur-de-lis. I have been obsessed with the fleur-de-lis symbol all my life, so I feel like that is gonna be the one we're gonna stamp today. Hooray. All right, up next, look at this. It is a multitude of adorable wax melts. Up next, we have, I don't know the technical name for these, but I think that these are in like fancier wax melting kits. Like this is where you put the wax in. Oh my god, you guys, look at the little candles. These are honestly larger than I expected them to be. I really thought that the candles were gonna be even tinier than this. So we have 2 of them. These are like humongous wicks as well. Is that normal? We also have moment of truth. Oh, yay. Okay, the little jar does not look busted. So let's take a second and transfer our beautiful waxes into the beautiful unbroken glass jar. I'm really shocked that this came in one piece because a lot of people did say it was busted, and y'all, I had the first AliExpress return that I've ever actually done in my life because it was like a deluxe AliExpress item. I paid like $20 for this thing and it arrived like not just a little bit broken, but like smashed. I got a acrylic, is that the word I'm looking for my Blythe doll. You guys know my adorable little skeleton Blythe. I wanted to start setting him over in my makeup area, and kind of the vibe over in my makeup area is like clear acrylic everything. So I got a magic rotating base for my skeleton Blythe, and it came like so busted. I probably have a picture in here to show you guys of all of these things, but look at that. I'm actually shocked. Like the wax like almost doesn't want to fit in there because there's so much wax for the little glass jar. I mean, that being said, I feel like this would be adorable for like Blythes or like dioramas, miniatures, all of that good stuff. So this is, I almost called it like a Bunsen burner. It is not. But this, I think, is the whole setup. Like, oh, I didn't know that was one piece. Very interesting. I almost feel like I need to consult a photo of the listing again before I do this because I don't want to like set things up wrong. But I thought the candle like went under here and then somehow this little ladle is supposed to balance. But obviously, you know, this is fire. I don't really want to like do it wrong. But yeah, I don't even know how would that work, you guys. I'm sure this is really obvious and I'm doing it wrong. You know, I think it's supposed to, or does this sit in here, y'all? I don't even know. See, I thought that sat in there like neatly like that, but then like, look at this wick. Are you supposed to like light the candle for a while? Cause right now, I don't know if y'all can see, but the wick like really sticks through the base. So it would just basically be lighting this little guy on fire. Also, I really feel like I need to figure out what these things are. They look like two tiles. That's the best way that I can describe it. Two unmounted tiles, right? A gold one, very beautiful, and a black, mysterious tile. What would we do with these, you guys? I am definitely going to consult the listing. And then the last little thing in here is a little envelope that you can fold up. Oh, we have multiple envelopes. Oh, there's so many envelopes. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 envelopes. That's honestly a lot. Like I really was expecting like one single piece of paper. Okay, let's fold this together. Does that actually have, okay, always with undying love? That's a little listing. Okay, let me fold this. This is like so nice and convenient. It's already not perforated, but there's like fold lines, you know what I mean? So it goes together so simply. Look at the beautiful envelope. All right, I'm gonna stop filming down there. I'm gonna consult the photo. I'm gonna insert the photo in here so you guys can see what I see. I'm gonna do a little detective work. I have our friend Troll Lighter, and I'm even gonna set up my little junk journal down here so hopefully we can like, you know, do the whole shebang. I kind of feel like I should have like a bucket of water here, you know, just in case it's kind of a fire hazard. All right, I'll be right back. So I did see the little like ladle thing just balanced inside of this. I honestly do not know what this like tree looking stuff is for. No explanation could I find. So it is candle under here, ladle on top. Now the tile, I saw it looked like they were actually making the wax stamps on the tiles and then maybe peeling them off and gluing them on the backs of the envelopes. Or maybe they were just like practicing on the little tiles. Or maybe this is like, if you're gonna use it for a diorama or a Blythe or whatever, maybe you would just make it look like you're making a bunch of wax seals. I don't know. I don't get it. Personally, I would rather just make the wax seal on the paper on the miniature envelope. So I'm not doing any of that. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just light this little candle. You guys, look at him. I'm gonna light this and see. Oh, that looks like a very tall, dangerous flame that I should not be holding. It feels very hot. Okay, all right. I'm gonna set that down here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Y'all, is this a fire hazard? And I realize I'm not filming down here. All right, while this candle is dangerously burning on top of a piece of paper, let's go ahead and pick our beautiful wax. Y'all, I'm tempted to do gold for the fleur-de-lis, but I think I'm gonna do red because, oh, or I could do purple. I'm gonna do red. Oh, there's like a metallic red. Y'all, I'm like, really? There a metallic red? Could have sworn there was. All right, yes, there is a metallic kind of red. That is what we're gonna do, folks. And I honestly don't know if I trust this little like setup here. I feel like that's dangerous. I feel like I will catch my hand on fire. So I'm gonna load the little wax into the ladle and we're just gonna try it like this first. And then if that goes well, this is very hot. Ooh, look at that. Also, we do have some, we have some very smoky smells. And we have some melting wax. It's very exciting down here. Do y'all see that like black smoke? Okay, now we're gonna burn everything, light everything on fire. All right, now it is time to set the seal down. Woo! Oh no. Oh my God. Y'all didn't even see that. Oh my God. The handle just fell off in my hand for the little ladle. Let me blow this candle out. This is, y'all can't see me here. You can't see what's going on down here. All right, hang on. I just wanted to blow out the candle because that was seeming like kind of dangerous. Honestly, none of this smells good. Ooh, did that almost take the entire wax? I can't tell if the wax is just clear. Oh, y'all, don't you love when it's just a catastrophe? All right, I hope that this is like clear. Let's see. Oh, the stamp survived. The wax melted. But y'all, this is the biggest oopsie. Oh my God, it's still like burning hot. Let's get that tile over here. Burning hot. Woo, like almost too hot to touch. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look, let's swap it around. Oh my God, is that a danger to my health? I can't tell if that's like soot or if it's like so charred, and I don't know. It looks like maybe just the glue that was holding the handle together melted. Like, I don't know why this fell apart. If it was not so stinky, I would try it again. I'm trying to think about how I could potentially just do more of the wax seals, because honestly, I am really impressed by the little stamps, by the little waxes, by the little jar. Maybe I just held that like too close. I don't know, you guys. I wish there was another way to melt these little waxes other than this little handle that fell apart in 5 seconds. I'm kind of scared that this like burned through, you guys. No, it didn't burn. I don't know. It was not smelling good. It was not smelling good. So this video kind of went awry. I definitely thought I would be doing more wax stamps, but hey, you know, I'm glad I did the one in my junk journal, so we kind of have this like, you know, to commemorate the near catastrophe of me almost like lighting my journal and my finger on fire. So I don't know, you guys, is this like user error? I kind of think that it is, although I will have to say the candle, the wax, and the burning of the little handle thing, none of that smells good. It all smells bad. And I got a wax kit like a couple of years ago for a YouTube video that I don't think I ever uploaded. I even filmed it, but it was so weird because I got a larger wax melting kit on Amazon. It was kind of a little bit the same experience. Like the bottom of this little thing turned black and it smelled really bad. And I don't remember what happened after that. I did that a couple years ago and then I don't know. I thought the video was like boring or something, so I never uploaded it. Let me know what y'all think. For $7, do you think this is like a good deal for $7? I feel like this is so random. Y'all, I really wanted to make more. I'm trying to see if the wax, oh look, the wax is like hardening again. Ew, there's like a lot of like oily feeling coming off of it though. That's kind of strange. You guys, mixed feelings. Very cute, not that expensive. Wish I could do it more than once. Wish I could use it more than once. Did I mess up? I don't know. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, and become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. Until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!